Hey everybody, my name is Miranda and I'm an attorney with the law offices of Bridget Mackay in Petaluma, California. We practice in the areas of estate planning, administration, and elder law. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what some of the things to look for when you are reviewing your estate plan, kind of as time goes by and you're taking a look at it. So one of the first things that you want to think about when you're reviewing your estate plan is, have there been any changes in your family or in those people that you've named in your estate plan as beneficiaries? That would maybe, cause you to need to update your plan. So have there been any marriages or things like births of new children or grandchildren? Because if you want to include kind of new people in your life as receiving something under your estate plan, then you're going to need to formally list those people. And so it just makes sense to pay attention to that and review that from time to time. Another topic that you want to keep in mind as you're reviewing your estate plan, especially if you have a trust and that's your main estate planning document, is have there been changes to your assets over time? Because when you initially got your trust done, one of the important tasks at that time was to make sure that your assets, so your things like your house and bank accounts, were titled in the name of your trust. And as time goes by, you may have new assets. Maybe you've sold a home and purchased a new home, or gotten a new brokerage account. Or maybe you've just refinanced your current house. And so sometimes people forget that they have a trust and that they need to keep their assets in the name of the trust. So it's just something to review to make sure that the assets that you do have are properly titled in the name of your trust so that they can be controlled by your trust. The third issue to look at when you're updating or reviewing your estate plan is the roles in your estate plan. So these are the positions of authority in your estate plan where you have appointed someone who can step in and manage things for you in case you become unable to do so, either because of an incapacity or a death. So these are things like your successor trustee, if you have a trust, your power of attorney agent, and your healthcare agent, that person that's going to be making healthcare decisions for you if you become unable. So it's important to look at those people you've named in your documents and really think about whether there have been any changes that would have it make sense for you to maybe change the people you've named. Has anyone passed away? Has something happened in maybe that person's life or your relationship with that person where it's no longer makes sense to have that person named as someone who would step in for you? And then really the final thing to keep in mind as you're reviewing your estate plan is, when did you have the estate plan done? The older the estate plan gets, it might make sense to go back to your attorney and have your attorney review the plan, because not only do things change with you and your family and your assets over time, but also laws change, new legal strategies come onto the scene. And so it makes sense occasionally to have an attorney who's experienced in estate planning review your plan and really make sure that everything that's important to you is included in that plan, that it really is able to protect not only you, but your loved ones as you intended. So if you have any questions about this topic or any other estate planning topic, you should contact an experienced estate planning attorney in your area. Thank you.